Cagayan, my valley home is dear to me. Though from her my footsteps far may stray, over mountains, plains, beyond the deep blue sea, I shall love thee, ever be where'er I may. Cagayan, oh smiling land of beauty, Cagayan, my heart clings unto thee. Though from her my footsteps far away may stray, I shall love thee, ever be where'er I may. Cagayan, iri anapatek kanyak, adayo man sila lagi pa. Pambantay man gentaaw analinan, ayaten kan tulad ta awan dua-dua. Cagayan, naisem ka